Welcome to this Getting Started guide to creating waterfall charts in Excel using the Airt Magic add-in. In this example, we are going to create a waterfall chart here to show the variances between planned and actual profit. Once you've installed Airt Magic, just click on the Airt menu option. You need some bridge information to chart. In this case, we already have a simple bridge from planned profit to actual profit in the chart data sheet. The waterfall chart requires a block of 11 columns alongside your bridge data. Select the bridge data with the description and values. Click on the waterfall option. You need to decide if you want the positive values to be red or green. In our case, we want positive values to be green. We need to highlight the data we've selected includes headings, and we can then click OK. The add-in creates the chart and the data. Since our bridge includes a subtotal here in row 27, we just need to flag that as a comparator. To do that, type a Y next to the values. We can now copy and paste the chart. The usual chart formatting can be applied, so if we want to remove the outline, we can do that easily. Likewise the fill. We can resize the chart. And remove the axis labels. Check back for more in-depth instructions for the waterfall chart in Airt Magic. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other videos and download the free trial of Airt Magic if you haven't already done so.